So what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Dollars Money. In this video we will going to see how to find viral videos idea just from your completed YouTube channel. For example, if you are working on a same niche, like for example if you are working on a make money online niche. So as you know there are lots of channels which are already working on the same niche on your niche like make money online niche. So basically what we are going to do is finding the similar channel which are working on our same niche and try to replicate their most successful videos so far. So let me show you each and every step by step. So stick to me till the end of the video. You will get a lots of value from this video. As you can see, let's pick out if you're talking about top 10 lists. So for example, if you're talking about top 10 money making niche, top 10 money making niche, what you are going to do, simply search the topic or the keywords you are looking for example, right now we are looking for top 10 money make niche, right? So what you are going to do, find out the top most video by filtering down with this filter option. What you have to do, just you need to click on filters and then you will see a lots of option like this: upload date, type, you can see type, duration or features and short by. So what you are going to do is you have to filter out by the date with the last month, this month. So you simply have to put on the upload date that this month, and type is already set to be the videos, and what you have to do is simply go to the view counts. Short by, you don't have to short by relevance, but you have to short by view count. So once you click on those two parameters, that is this month and view counts, you will see the most viral videos so far in the same niche or the same title, that is top 10 money making niche. So for example, this is the video. He is an Indian YouTuber which are making videos on the top most high earning YouTube channel ideas, which has less effort. Also, you can see the 7 most profit blog niche of 2022. So as you can see, this is the very great idea to work on this niche. What you have to do, just simply go to this channel, that is Think Media. Once you come up with come on this YouTube channel, you will see a tons of videos. Simply you have to go to their videos option and then you need to sort it by most popular. Currently, this is a educational channel. If you are working on a top 10 niche, you will say the top 10 mentioned in the world, the top 10 financial app, and anything which is of top 10. You will get so many ideas just by going to your competitor YouTube channel. For example, currently we are focusing on Think Media. He is a great YouTuber and making videos around YouTube learning. So as you can see, this is his most viral video so far. In the last 10 months, he generated around 75 lakhs view only with this short video. So what you have to do, if you make the video around best copyright free music for YouTube videos, I bet this video go viral. Not much viral, the 37 million views, but you will get a great traction in your channel. I can bet on it. So let's start this video, and I hope you're learning about how YouTube automation work and how to make a great successful YouTube channel. So this is all about today's video. We will see you on the next video. Till then, take care and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.